Hello guys, good morning. Today I show the contents of the Agarwood trees from the Kalimantan forest. The shape is very beautiful if in Indonesia. We call this mini decor. This is also beautiful. It has a unique shape. This one is a little small and has traces of small twigs, adding to its uniqueness too. This is more solid. The character of the wood is more visible. This little one is already in the chip class. You can see that the cut marks are all hard resin all the way down. This small hole is a former ant's nest and is also in the chip class. What is certain is that all of these are harvested from the forest. The aroma is very sweet and if tested in water they will drown. See you in the next video.